In a warm and dignified gesture ahead of President Draupadi Murmu's address to the Odisha Assembly on Thursday, leader of opposition Naveen Patnaik welcomed the president on behalf of the opposition. Naveen Patnaik said that the entire country looks up to the president for inspiration, guidance, and for preserving the very soul of India. He added that it is a matter of immense pride for Odisha that a daughter of the soil has risen to the highest office in the nation, and that President Murmu began her political journey in this very assembly 25 years ago. Highlighting India's unity in diversity, Naveen Patnaik recalled how different languages, cultures, lifestyles and customs have strengthened the nation's democratic fabric. He also mentioned that the integration of princely states first began in Odisha when Nilgiri and others joined the union on November 14, 1947, a milestone that set the tone for national unity. The leader of opposition further paid tribute to Utkal Gaurav Madhusudan Das, who played a pivotal role in creating a separate province of Odisha on a linguistic basis, using constitutional and democratic methods. Naveen Patnaik emphasized that as President of India, Draupadi Murmu embodies the responsibility to preserve, protect and defend the Constitution, especially significant as the nation recently celebrated the 75th anniversary of its adoption. He noted that Odisha has scripted remarkable achievements over the last 2 decades, from disaster management, food production and poverty alleviation to women's empowerment, infrastructure, health, education and industrial growth. Odisha's disaster management model, he said, has become a benchmark for the entire nation, earning appreciation even from the United Nations. With abundant natural resources and a skilled workforce, Naveen Patnaik said Odisha holds immense potential and called upon everyone to work together to ensure the state scales new heights of glory.